In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pre-orders on Squarespace. If you want customers to know that an item is available for purchase before it officially ships, Squarespace makes this fairly simple by letting you customize the product button text. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to change so your product displays as a pre-order item in a clear and professional way. To get started, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're in, click on Website. This is where you'll manage the main structure and content of your site, including store pages and product listings. From there, click on Pages. The Pages section gives you access to all the areas of your website. So this is the place to go when you want to edit your online store layout or open a specific shop page. Next, click on Shop. This will open the store section where your products are listed. Here, you'll be able to locate the exact product you want to make available for pre-order. Now, find the product you want to update. Hover your mouse over that product and click the three-dot menu that appears. This menu contains additional options for managing the item without having to open other store settings first. After that, click Edit. This opens the product editor where you can adjust the product details, display settings, and the text customers see when they're ready to purchase. Inside the product settings, look for the button text field. In that field, type the text pre-order. This changes the wording on the product button so shoppers immediately understand that they're placing a pre-order instead of buying an item that is ready to ship right away. It's a small change, but it can really help set the right expectations and reduce confusion during checkout. Once you've entered the new button text, click Save. This applies the update to your product, and that's it. Your Squarespace product will now show a pre-order message on the button, making it much clearer for customers. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to preview the product page on the front end of your site to make sure the text appears the way you want. You may also want to check that your product description includes any important shipping or release timing details, so customers know exactly what to expect. That's how to set up pre-orders on Squarespace quickly and easily.